Here is a comparison of 10 basic words with 10 advanced words. Each pair is shown with sentences so you can see the difference in use and meaning. This helps learners understand how to move from simple to more expressive. English, the first pair is cold and chilly. The basic sentence is I am cold, which is simple. The advanced sentence is I am chilly, which gives a slightly stronger and more descriptive feeling. The second pair is hot and scorching. The basic sentence is it is hot outside. The advanced sentence is it is scorching outside, which shows extreme heat and paints a clearer picture. The third pair is hungry and starving. The basic sentence is I am hungry. The advanced sentence is I am starving, which shows you are very hungry and makes the feeling stronger. The fourth pair is tired and exhausted. The basic sentence is I am tired. The advanced sentence is I am exhausted, which gives the listener a sense of total lack of energy. The fifth pair is happy and delighted. The basic sentence is I am happy to see you. The advanced sentence is I am delighted to see you, which sounds more formal and expressive. The sixth pair is sad and miserable. The basic sentence is she feels sad today. The advanced sentence is she feels miserable today, which shows deeper unhappiness. The seventh pair is scared and terrified. The basic sentence is the child is scared of the dog. The advanced sentence is the child is terrified of the dog, which communicates a stronger fear. The eighth pair is good and excellent. The basic sentence is the food was good. The advanced sentence is the food was excellent, which shows stronger praise and excitement. The ninth pair is bad and dreadful. The basic sentence is the movie was bad. The advanced sentence is the movie was dreadful, which makes the opinion stronger and more vivid. The 10th pair is smart and intelligent. The basic sentence is he is smart. The advanced sentence is he is intelligent, which sounds more professional and respectful. These 10 pairs show how advanced words give more emotion, power, and detail, while basic words keep the meaning simple. Both forms are useful, but advanced vocabulary makes English sound richer and more expressive.